Una na kayo. Mga senior, una na.
Timing.
Dora.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Hindi lang.
Video ko. Magana ba? Bakit ganyan parang COVID mo? Oo ba? Naliligtad. Naliligtad. Hindi na ako magla-live best. Oo. Best na.
Hello guys! So ito na ang ating water adventure. Lalayo na tayo papunta sa first destination.
Daddy? Oo. Akala ko tatakbo ulit si Randy tapos makukuha na naman ng video. Tatalong-talong pa sa dito tapos talo.
So we are your tour guides for today's island hopping. So in our island hopping, we have 4 to 5 hours, and then also we have 4 stops. So our first stop is either Iligan Beach or Puka Beach. Next is the snorkeling, third is the lands, and then the last is the Crystal Cove Island. So in our first destination, we will stay there for 30 to 40 minutes. And then if you want to do the crystal kayak, it costs only 250, unlimited pictures. And then if you want to do the picture taking in the sand castle, it costs only tips or donation, any amount. And then in our second stop, which is the snorkeling, in the snorkeling area, the girls is already provided, but all you need to pay is the 100 pesos if you go snorkeling. You are paying for the area, not for the girls. And then our third destination is the lunch. So our lunch is located at the mainland. So your lunch is a buffet, so no diet, but Sharon is not allowed.
Okay.
And then there's also the kawa bath. After you eat, you can also take pictures. And then after that, we'll proceed to our last destination, which is the Crystal Cove Island. So Crystal Cove Island is a private island with 2 caves. To those who want to go inside, there is an optional entrance, 300 each. But if you don't want to go inside, you can stay also outside, and there's also the swimming area. And then after that, we'll back up Bulabu Beach. Okay, any question, guys? No. And also, always remember the name of our boat, Just GT. What's the name of our boat?
Just GT.
Okay, perfect. Okay, we will proceed to first destination.
So bound na tayo sa ating first destination, which is the Puka Beach. Doon tayo mag-swimming.
Oh. Video na. Okay. Yes, JT.
ayan, ang first destination, nag-swimming ang lola mo sa Puka Beach. Ayan. So, ayan ang mga pictures ko. Kasi wala akong kasamang naglangoy-langoy. Yung mga ibang tao lang, di ko kilala. In fairness, napakasarap talaga mag-swimming, guys.
Nalunod po? Yung Titanic.
This island is already the Carabao Island. But it already belongs to the province of Romblon. Romblon is the marble capital of the Philippines.
Carabao. Carabao Island. Carabao Island.
We are now going to the second destination where we are going to see snorkel.
Kay Lubed.
Kukuha ko ng barya. Ibabato ko ha. Sisisirin nyo.
Sana may underwater kami. Para mag-ano ako. Muro amin.
Marami na. O, ando. Ayun na.
1, 2, 3, go. Ay, ang gaganda.
Hindi ko marunong ha?
Oh, may mga isda.
Oo nga. Pabaliktad kasi ang hawak mo. Baliktad mo yung hawak mo.
Baliktad.
Dapat sa harapan yung lubid para makaganon ka. Ah. Susot. Yun. Yan. Sumisid ka ngayon. Gumanon ka.
May underwater camera. Yan, baka pwede. Pwede ko sa yung iPhone mo. Pahiram ng cellphone. Pahiram ng cellphone mo. Hindi ako makahuli.
Hindi mo mahuli yan.
Huli ka naman, ito yung ulam nila.
Hindi ako makahuli. Kahit isa lang. Mahuli ako, ha? Hindi tayo alis. Hindi ako nakahuli.
This time, we are bound to our third destination. Yan ay mag-lunch na tayo. Tapos, may kawa bath. Yan lang ang pinaka-highlights dito sa third destination.
Kakain ako.
Mag-swimming na muna tayo.
Ito tayo sa third destination. Kakain na ang mga gutom. We will now eat buffet. Tawa ba to? What is that? For today.
Come on, let's eat na guys. Siyempre, pagkatapos kumain, hindi tayo papahuli. Nagkawa bath din tayo. Pictorial na lang kami sa labas. Actually, hindi na kami pumasok sa loob. Bakit? Kasi napagod ng mga matatanda. So that ends our vlog for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.